Oh, look at this. This is a nightclub. Okay, so I'm just doing a POV writing. You are the captain of your ship. You are the commander. So you give the computer commands so they can make you money. And that's what I did. And I'm trying to show you guys that, you know. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back with another video. So it's about 10 p.m. right now, and I'm at the beach city. So I'm just cruising around, enjoying the night, you know, on my 150cc. And yeah, it's a good night. No rain, nothing. And I need some gas right now, and we need some water. Yeah, just come with me on this ride. Oh, look at this. This is a nightclub. Okay, so I'm just doing a POV writing. Oh shit. It's like that GTA lifestyle. Rent of auto, baby. Living the nightlife. This is what happens when you have so much free time on your hand and a little bit of money and a web hosting business, of course. Yeah, so still no maintenance needed for the web hosting business, so I just have a lot of free time. Damn, there are a lot of girls. Okay, so our objective right now would be finding gas. Alright, let's go. And of course, our objective is to be as free as possible and have a good fucking time. Let's do it. If you need some massage, there's some back street here. It's alright, about $25. Okay, so this video should be rated R. Man, I just wish I have a 600 right now. That would be great, but you know, balling on the budget. Ooh. Damn, man. So I have a full battery for the first time in a long time. Full battery, baby, for the GoPro. So should be a nice ride, riding around the whole city at night, baby. What a time to be alive. You know, it's not too cold, but I just have my windbreaker right here, my hoodie. Oh yeah, I hope you can see well. I have that LED light right there. That comes stuck with the bike though. Yeah, I spent about 2G for this, and yeah, it's been going good. You know, it's a Honda, and Honda tends to last a long time. I have about 37,000 kilometers on this bike already. Yeah, I'm not sure what's the conversion for miles. We had some buffet earlier today. If you haven't seen that video, please check out my channel. Yeah, but we had some buffet, and it was pretty cheap. And now we full of energy. Can't sleep. What would you do if you're in your 30? Yeah, I'm about to be 30, you guys. Alright, only 29 right now, but a few more months before I turn 30. Alright, I don't see no gas station, man. But ooh, damn, just gotta watch out for these people. There are a lot of activities during the night here. If you're hungry, they have food for you right there. Man, I'm thirsty. Let's go get some water. So we are going to a convenience store to get some water, and then we'll be back on the road. So there's a nightclub right there. Oh, there's a Family Mart. Man, wait until you see the weekend here. It's so crazy, and there are so many girls out here at night, single, looking for somebody to take them home or take them to a hotel room. And there are so many hotel rooms around here, so many. Alright, oh, there's a massage bar right there. This one is Circle K. Damn, no one's going to watch my bike. So many people around here. I don't want to get my bike jacked. Fuck, let's go up here. Yeah, you can't go no wrong with some precaution, you know. I don't trust these people, especially around this time. Yeah, take care of yourself, you know. I mean, look at me. Nobody's going to bully me, but they can sneak up on you, you know. Ah, alright. Damn, look at that, girls. Look at that club. So many people in there. Man, I wish I was dressed up right now, but I'm in my pajama, kind of, wearing sandal. Ah, okay. Alright, we're just gonna grab some stuff real quick. What should we get? Of course, a little of water and some tea. And some Red Bull, maybe. Thailand Red Bull. These are good. And they have beer beverages too. And we have snacks over here. You don't want these, they probably expire. Pringles. Can go no wrong with this. Sour cream or cheddar cheese. Here we go. Bao nhiêu? So, all this for less than, for about $3. Not bad, right? or this for $3. One of the things I love about 150cc is that they are very lightweight. They're fun, they're quick, and they efficient on gas.